What's going on, guys? Now I have brought something very exciting today, and I don't know if I'm the only one feeling this level of excitement, but what I've brought now is using AI to clone websites. Now, if this works perfectly, it's going to take a lot of workload from those building websites as their own business because they would have something to use as a foundation. And for clients that are a bit technically inclined, they may end up not even needing to hire website developers. That's what I think. And one thing with cloning websites is no one is going to come and sue you for using a template that they've used, for instance. It's why there are templates being sold multiple times. I mean, same template used multiple times, sold multiple times. As long as you have a very different content, no one is going to actually really care. It's why, as long as it's out there, people are going to find ways to use it. So now what we want to use today is three different AI tools: Lovable AI, VO by Vercel, and Bolt AI as well. So these are all AI tools. I mean, they're not the only ones, but they are the newest AI tools that do really impress us. They seem more advanced. So that's why I chose the three of them. Now, for this use case, what we would want to do is just find a website that's a bit popular, or just any website, and try to find ways to clone it, to copy the website. So I decided to just check out real estate websites, and this caught my attention, realtor.com. So what I'm doing now is I've visited realtor.com, and this is how the website looks. It's a pretty, advanced real estate website where it even has renting features. It has a lot. There's a lot on this website. So this would be like the perfect example to use. So I'm just going to copy the link of this website. I'm just going to copy it here because these tools that we are using use internet access. They have internet access. So copying a link and asking it as to use it as a reference won't be something that's impossible for them. Now, I have a template here that I can drop it in the comment section. And what I said was clone the website. So where there's website name, you replace it with the link. The link you just copied. And what I am basically telling the AI to do is it should include all headings and footers together with the links as well. Change the name of the website to, in this case, I am using a real estate website. So I just said you should change it to Williams Homes Limited, and find suitable images that will replace what's currently on the website. The text on the website should be a rewritten version of the one on the original website, but matches the new name. So this is us trying to just make sure we have something that looks a bit different. I'm just going to copy each of these and paste them in all the AI tools that we are showcasing today. So in Lovable AI, I'm pasting this and just executing. I will be doing the same for all, and boom. Now what we would do is let's go grab a cup of coffee, or you go hit the gym. You can't really hit the gym because it's going to take even longer time than this. Than the time it will take for this to execute, because this works really fast. Lovable AI is already beginning to show us results. Once we do so, it's going to build everything as we want. Then we are going to come back and test out the upload feature and use it as a reference as well. So I'm going to pause this video and come back when they are all done. All right, so they are all done, and now this is the result we have from Lovable AI. I'm just going to, I think there should be a way to minimize this. Yes. All right. So this is how it looks. Now, if you notice, it went ahead to copy this, but has it copied even with the color scheme? Somehow, because yes, Realtor.com has some, I mean, touch of red in the logo, but then when you check the most of the images on the website, there is a touch of blue, and that's why this has blue. I'm guessing that's why. But yes, this isn't as detailed as it should be. But one thing with these tools is you can always ask them to make modifications. For instance, in VO, I mean AI, this is how it looks. I noticed that no image was generated, but it has put placeholders for each of these images. I mean, look at the links. Y Williams Homes, find an agent. Everything just looks good. And there's even a drop down. Oh my goodness, this is nice. And there's even a drop down that buy. You can choose any of the options. For these, there's no drop down yet. But in bold, as you view this in full screen, you would notice that it also has like the touch of blue, and there are images and even placeholder amounts. This is incredible. Yes, it's not as detailed as the original, but this is already giving a lot of information on how you can proceed. So yeah, let's say we want to make changes. I have done a video on Bolt AI already, and in the video I showed us how we can make modifications to parts that we don't want. So for instance, you don't want this to be featured listings, you just want it to be featured homes. You can just go ahead and modify it by telling it to change featured. Oh my, okay, so featured listings to featured homes. Yeah, so if I go ahead and run this, it's going to go through the website again, and you see, so it's saying update featured listings to home, and it does all the background coding for you, so you don't really need to know how to even write codes. So it's telling you I've updated the heading from this. I didn't even tell it was a heading. I just said change this. So when you scroll down, you realize that featured listings has been changed to featured homes. And this is how you can make changes and add things that you want to add. If there's anything in Realtor.com that you feel like copying, or you want to have it exactly looking like that, you can go ahead and just say, okay, add this, add that. Or if there's something that you just have in your mind, you can always tell it. But this has served as a foundation. This is very impressive. I see it as the future of building websites, really. So now let's go ahead and try something else. For VO, it still hasn't added any image, which sadly, I don't know why. But I believe it can be fixed by telling it to add respective images. It's not what we want to even do right now. I want to also showcase something in Lovable AI. The difference between Lovable AI and the others is, for this, you can also do change the display to mobile or desktop, and it shows you how this website will be shown to someone accessing it from a mobile device. And it's very good because developers always want something like that, right? So now what we want to try also doing is to go ahead, like I'm just going to go back to dashboard, I mean, for all of them. And we are going to try getting a screenshot of the website that we want to copy, and then upload it here, since they all have the upload feature. For VO, I mean, there's even a clone a screenshot feature. This is nice. So yes, so what we want to try doing now is to go ahead and look for just any website and just take a screenshot of the entire website and try cloning it. So I'm just going to try with the same realtor.com and see the difference this time around.
If you like what you've been watching so far, then a like to this video and a sub to the channel will be massively helpful. Now let's continue with the video.
So to take a screenshot of the website, I am going to use a Google Chrome extension called Go Full Page. And what this does is once you just have access to the page, it's going to just click on the camera icon and it's going to take the entire screenshot of the page. And this is exactly what we want. So I am going to download it as a PNG file and yes, to give it access. So what I want to do now is to upload each of these, the file in each of these websites. All right, so for VO, it has already started because there's already a link saying clone screenshot. So that was what I used instead of using the attach file section. So once you use that and you attach the image, it stacks it. So I'm just going to use the same command, clone attach screenshot, and tell both to do the same thing. So yeah, so let's see how effective each of these tools become when you use it this way. And I'm just going to pause this video and come back when it's done. All right, so for the first one, that's Lovable AI. This is what I can see. And I don't know if this text matches. All right, let's just read through what we have on realtor.com. Discover how we can help. So let's find this section that says discover how we can help. All right, so this is it. And we'll help you estimate the budget. We'll help you calculate your budget. Okay, so it even went ahead to, just rewrite the text without telling it to, which is nice. Try our affordability calculator that fits your needs. Okay, so this is good, but it hasn't done what we completely want it to. I don't know if it needed us to add with some text telling it to, but we don't always have to remind it. We're not supposed to always remind the AI tools to copy with the header and footer, because for this, for instance, we supplied the entire screenshot, so it's supposed to be able to copy everything, and it stops there.
For view, this is the result that we have. View, remember, was the one that had the special button for screenshots cloning. So once you keep scrolling, View has what issue View has with attaching images, but it seems to have more details than Lovable AI. The only thing is all right, so this image seems to be the screenshot from the actual image. All right, so these are actually information that could be helpful. Let me just try putting it on full screen mode. This is nice. The only downside I have, the only issue I have with View, oh, look at the logo, realtor.com. The only issue I have with View is the fact that it doesn't naturally attach images. That's bad, because the only image that it has here is image from the screenshot we attached. I don't know why it thinks that should be it, but it's not good when it comes to images, but it has more details than the output we had from Lovable AI. Now for both, sadly, I've been facing this error, and this is not a good sign, because even if someone has a tech background, a technical knowledge, The reason why the person would probably come to this to use these systems is because that person wants to have something like a foundation to continue working with. And if you don't have if you're already facing issues like this, and mind you, these codes were not generated by you, so it will just be more like you trying to fix and someone else's code, and it's usually very hectic. I mean, it's very stressful to do something like that. So I've tried this several times on both using the file upload method, but it still didn't work. So I guess that's an issue from both. But well, try it and see if it works for you.
So that's basically what these tools can do. I am sure you can go ahead and give them a try by yourself and see how you can explore some of these features. So if you have built a website that you are satisfied with using any of these tools, to make it public, all you need to do is just publish it, and you have the option to either use your own custom domain, which for you to do that, you must be a premium member on all these tools, or as a free account owner, you can go ahead and use subdomains provided by these tools. And I've shown you how to do that on the video I made about both AI. And I mean, yeah, so just go ahead, give it a try, make your own tweaks as you wish, and see how this works out for you, if this works out for you. And while you do so, just take note that each of these tools has some limitations, based on the number of times you run commands. And for you to have access to run so many commands, you need to upgrade your account. So that's basically why I'm here to show you. If you feel like this is for you, you can go ahead and use it. But if it's not, then either way, just tell us why this isn't for you in the comment section. So that's been it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.
If you have learned anything from this video, please click the Buy Me a Coffee link below. Every donation helps me to continue bringing this type of content to you.